In this tutorial video, I'm going to walk you through how to reset your PIN. Your library PIN is given to you when you first register for a library card. And as shown right here, the default library PIN is OCLN in all capital letters. It stays like that until you actually change it. You can change it by going to the OCLN catalog and logging into your library account. You'll need your library card number. The first time you log in, you would just use OCLN for your PIN number. And then when you log in, you'll see a dashboard where you'll have the option to change your PIN number to something else. Now, if you ever forget your PIN, you can also go here to change it. Simply click on Login right here at the top. Click on Forgot My PIN, and then enter your library card and hit Submit. You'll get an email that goes to whatever email address you put on file on your library card. You'll get an email to reset your PIN and access your account, and then you can change it, change your PIN to whatever you would like it to be. Your PIN is something that is used both to access the card catalog and place holds, and also in some of our digital resources such as Canopy, you need your library PIN in order to log in. If you have any questions, as always, please give the library a call during operating hours or comment on this post, and we will help you as best we can. Thank you.